Welcome back to MainStation. Today I'll be going over one trade I did on Bitcoin last day. And that's gonna be it. And I'll be uploading a market update in general also. Or I might conclude it to one video, I'm not sure yet. So let's get started. As you can see, I actually thought Bitcoin would either break to higher highs, since we had an equilibrium forming right here, and I thought since equilibriums after some trend change or break of resistance or support are usually a continuation sign, I thought we would go back up again. Yet we found resistance and had a little fake out right here and went below and went down again with some nice volume, or at least big wicks or big candles, I'd rather say. And now we're just consolidating, which it is a bearish sign since the bulls aren't showing up yet, and it's forming a bear flag on the hourly time frame. You can see right here. I initially and we're just seeing the bear break right now. At least that's what I'll see. If we just eliminate these moving averages, then yeah, I thought we had a sort of an equilibrium, and before we had this upper wick, I thought we are actually seeing a downward channel if I just remove these. You'll see like this. And just leave this one too. This too. You'll see a downward channel, usually it breaks to the upside. I don't like downward channels after bear breaks that much, since it's more of a consolidation, and if they turn out to be a bull break or a bullish later on, they, in my opinion, maybe they break to higher highs since they did here, but usually it forms into another bearish pattern, and it did. Although I knew this, I thought I'd like to trade it, and I made a loss. As you can see, I just delete these right here. As you can see, I entered here on this white candle, or I got filled on this candle. We had a brief consolidation, inside bar, and a bear break. And since then, we've just seen more downside. I got stopped out right here, so we had this little fake out, and it actually, now you could say it turned out to be a bear flag. So that's actually what I meant when I said although downward channels like you've seen here and here tend to break bullish after such an rather big move, or more or less big move, they don't break too much to the upside. And if, then you could say it might be manipulation, but that's not for me to decide. So what are we seeing now? In my opinion, we're seeing a bear flag and are looking for daily consolidation. And my target would be, if we don't hold the 1.5, if we just pull up a Fibonacci ratio, not a torch, this, I would like to see it hold on the 1.5. If we do not, the 1.5 would also coincide with these two candles right here, this support, which has been established after it has been resistance. It also has been resistance right here. So if we don't hold the 1.5 at around 3,680, then I'll be looking down to the 618, which is around 3,550. And if we don't hold that, then we most likely will come down all the way down here, or maybe hold this 1.78 Fibonacci ratio, and maybe see like an equilibrium forming on the daily time frame, which, as I already told you, could be looking like this. Find resistance here or here, come back up again to the 382, or maybe even to the 236, then come down again and just form this tightening range with lower highs and higher lows. And then most likely we'll be looking to another round down and more downside on the daily and weekly time frame, since equilibriums are usually continuation patterns. And then I'll be looking downwards to 3,000, and after that most likely to like 185, as I'd say between 185 and 1,200. I think there's some real potential, or at least in my opinion, the most potential to see a real bottom in Bitcoin on the bigger time frame. So for now, you could see some, or you could enter bearish positions if you'd like to, by breaking the support. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to do this. You would have some, like, about 3.5% to gain, which is it's nice, it's respectable, but you can pull up where are these? I don't know. I haven't used them too often. They are how are they called? It's like you can average out if you'd like to enter short or long positions. It's a risk factor analysis basically. Sadly, I don't know where they are, so but you can just do this in your head, like down. Most likely here we will see some bear break, in my opinion, and find support at this resistance or at the 618, and to the upside there, in my opinion, isn't much potential, since this looks very much like a bear flag. So it would be actually quite safe to enter a bearish position with a stop loss after it gets filled right here, just below or just above this wick. since it can also be a fake out, and we might see a double bottom right here on the ollie. Yeah. So which a pattern we could also see, but I don't like these. These are expanding wedges like this, and basically the price movement and the price swings just get bigger and bigger, or if they are in reverse, they it's like an equilibrium, just reverse. So you can see it makes higher highs and lower lows, and yeah, basically it just swings on. If they are symmetrical like here, they usually are like symmetrical triangles and are neutral. So I don't even like to trade them. You could say that we are seeing an expanding channel in an expanding channel, so expanding channel inception. Since we're seeing it on the bottom, it most likely will break bearish, in my opinion. So if you like to trade Bitcoin on this time frame, then please do your own research, of course, and only paper trade right here on on TradingView. My last position, I made like a rather big loss. Rather big. It was like $60 or some. Orders. Now where is this? Like there, yeah. Oh, like $100. So that's quite a lot actually. Kind of wipe out 2 whole trading days. Yeah, so that's no good. That's bad positioning on my part. Luckily above 100k. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you had a happy and peaceful Christmas. Wish you all the best. Good trading on TradingView. Follow me on TradingView. Link is in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.